Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a review of the Haloview Byte Tango camera system paired with the Bulletpoint Industries Metal Series dash mount. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. And I'm posting weekly videos for you guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. All right, let's get right into it. I've been using the Haloview Byte Tango rearview camera system for 9 months now, and I have to say I absolutely love it. From backing into new campsites or maneuvering around town or even in the woods, Haloview has had our back. So also what I really love about the Haloview camera is it's not only great for backing into new campsites or maneuvering around town, but you can also leave it on while you're driving down the road. So if you're driving down rural 2-lane roads and you want to know if someone's coming up behind you and you need to let them pass, then you have a chance to see who's behind you. You'll have a chance to pull over and let them pass safely. So I've had a lot of comments and questions on how I mount up my Haloview monitor to our existing Bulletpoint Industries Metal Series dash mount. So I want to go over that in detail for you guys. I'm using the Bulletpoint Industries Metal Series dash mount dual phone holder for my 2015 F-150. I'm pairing the Bulletpoint mount with the Haloview suction cup mount, and all I'm using from this is simply the monitor mount. I'm remove the whole suction cup portion. All I need is this ball mount that connects to the monitor, and then I'm able to mount that up to the extension arm of the Bulletpoint mount. Now this ball is slightly less than 20 millimeters like the Bulletpoint mounts require, but it is close enough that it does fit and work out perfectly. Now with the monitor and phones mounted up, this does add quite a bit of cantilevered weight to the tray. So you may want to add a rubber shim along this front edge to prevent any rattling or vibration. It does prevent more rattle and sound from that happening and just protects from any further damage. Now let's get into the pros and cons. We'll start with the pros. The Haloview Byte Tango monitor has a crystal clear 1080p camera and monitor that makes it very clear imagery for seeing behind you even while in motion. Next, the angle of the camera can be adjusted to your liking. That way you can see further back, or maybe you want to see closer up to the bumper. The backup indicator lines on the screen are very helpful. They're almost identical to my F-150's backup camera, and they just really help giving you depth perception and gauging how close you are when you're backing up into your sight. Another pro is side marker cameras can be added, and also security cameras can be added for up to 8 camera views on the one monitor. And most importantly, I love how the Haloview monitor and camera system gives me the confidence to maneuver in tight spaces, especially if I'm by myself.
Now let's cover the cons. First off, sometimes the monitor takes a little time to connect to the camera.
One of the cons is sometimes the monitor doesn't want to pair with the camera. Even though I'm plugged in and I have the lights on, as you can see, I'm getting no signal here. So I had to go back and push and hold the pair button on the camera to get it to connect back up. And my last con is it's not plug and play to use as a security system. You'll have to run additional wiring for constant power to do so. Otherwise, these cameras have to be plugged in and have power to use. So I have to have the trailer plug plugged into the truck, and I have to have the lights turned on the truck in order for the camera to get power. Overall, I highly recommend the Haloview Byte Tango 1080p camera system for its crystal clear images and the confidence it gives me maneuvering in tight spaces. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. And as always, I've included the product links in the description, so make sure to click on those and check them out. If you enjoyed this video, please smash down the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.